Welcome to Neo's Science Lab. Today we are making the biggest explosion you have ever seen. Are you ready?
Okay. Baking soda, vinegar, together. In 3, 2, 1! Okay, that was not supposed to be that big. Wait, why did that just happen? I need to find out right now.
First, carefully spoon your baking soda into a tall, clear bottle, just like this.
Now slowly pour in your vinegar. Slowly, and watch. Whoa! Whoa! This is bad! Yay, science awesome!
Hi, I am baking soda. I am a base, the complete opposite of acid. And when acid meets me, things get very exciting.
And I am vinegar. I am an acid. And that base over there and I have some very unfinished business.
Whoa! What are those tiny things coming out? Those are CO2 gas bubbles! They are escaping!
This is baking soda up close. See how fine and powdery it is? That powder is a base, just waiting for acid to arrive.
And the moment vinegar touches it, watch, right there, those tiny bubbles, that is CO2 gas being born. All that gas has nowhere to go, so it pushes everything up and out. That is your explosion right there.
Acid plus base equals CO2 gas. The gas pushes the foam up and out. That is the whole science. Is that not the coolest thing ever? This same reaction happens in volcanoes, in bread when it rises, even inside your own stomach right now. Baking soda and vinegar are literally everywhere. And that is it. You just did a real science experiment at home. Look how amazing that is.
Hey, before you try this at home, always ask a grown-up to help, son. Good.
Curious Mind Lab. Like, follow, stay curious. Neo out.